Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is how to turn a note into a Google Doc. Do you need to share a bunch of notes from Google Keep with individuals you work with? Google Keep can help with this. Google Keep allows you to convert multiple notes into one Google Doc to share with individuals you work with so that they are in an easier format to read. Let's look at how to turn a note into a Google Doc. Open Google Keep. Select each note that you want to put in a Google Doc. Once selected, click the three vertical dots in the top right of the Google Keep website. Then click Copy to Google Docs. Once copied, click Open Doc in the bottom left corner. Once the document opens, you may want to format it. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.